Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Black Sun Shadow. Just starting to do some dashcam footages to see what's going on in the day of life of the driver and commercial driver, regular four wheelers and or commercials, CDL guys. I'm starting off with this video today. Here it looks like a beautiful day. Look at that sun. Just it looks like maybe 70, 80 degrees. These guys are wearing their sweaters. Maybe it's not 70, 80 degrees, okay? Maybe it's like in the 60s or 50s. Um, but it's a beautiful day. Look at that. Let's see what happens here. These guys are just cruising along. Oh, I've been guilty of this, but I decided not to do it. See, he's not even. I would have had like second thoughts right about here. I'm not really. Yeah, see, he's looking. All right, no traffic. Yeah. Oh man, hold on a second. Look at his passenger. Oh, he's just like praying right now. Let's go back. He was giving his. Oh, look at it. He's just like, oh shoot. Oh, dude. Okay. There's that one point where he gives the dude the side eye. No. It's like, what are you doing? Does he? I don't know. Oh, he looks like he kind of winces. Like he's like, oh, I don't know, dude. Like, yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh, he's got his. I think he just has his eyes closed. Then, hey, wait a second. Truck's going. Wait, what's going on? That's on his side, right? So he's like, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Hey, he still got his. Like, why does he have his head? Oh, that's so terrible. Did he hit a tree? Oh shit. Think he hit. Oh. Oh, he hit multiples. And it just, boom, poor guy. But dude went flying. Look at that. Oh, hold on. It's just, wah. That's pretty jacked up, guys. Yeah, don't take off your sweaters and stuff, clothing when you're driving. Let that be a lesson to you. Look at this guy. Oh my. Volume is so high. I can't turn it down. I believe the volume is muted on your end, but oh my god, this is so loud, bro. I don't think I. Oh, there's a volume. Yeah, just mute that. So it's like techno music. It's pretty dope, but this guy's in a transition lane, looks like. But he's just cruising. And he's going slow, or he's doing the right amount of speed between the vehicles, which is right. But man, I don't know how many times I've gone in front of or behind these guys in the slow lane, in the truck lane, which is usually the furthest one to the right, and they're doing like 45, dude. I know I'm from California, and the speed limit in maybe some other states it's also 55 for commercial vehicles. But dang, guys, like 45, 40 miles an hour, like do 55. It's the speed limit, and I correct me if I'm wrong, but like if you're going slower, aren't you creating more drag? So if you're at least doing, I know after a certain amount of speed, like you're creating drag too. Commercial vehicle aside, I mean, I would imagine that because of the weight and everything, you got inertia working with you. You're kind of like you can be coasting and kind of keep your momentum. Sometimes these dudes they just hang in the wrong lane, or sometimes they're in the lane next to the slow lane, to the furthest to the right. Um, and I mean, even if it's a big rig, a full on with a trailer and all that, and they're just like got their finger in their mouth or something, and they got their thumb in their mouth and their finger up their nose. But this guy's in a transition lane. I wanted to start talking smack on him, but so if you're in the slow lanes, at least do the minimum or the maximum. This one's sad. This happened to a coworker. Poor bastard. He was. I mean, not this video specifically. But I did have a coworker driving along, what was it, the 215 freeway over here in Riverside, and he had a brick thrown through his windshield. Um, Man, it was from from what I assume, the dude was either under the overpass and he just didn't see him because you're traveling along, expect to you don't expect to be looking for that usually. I mean, like, that's pretty obvious, but oh man, let me see that again. Dude's throwing it, but that's, oh, I see it like skipped. But hold on a second, are these different videos? He's throwing. So there's no bridge there. Oh, bam. Yeah, I think this is just like a compilation. But man, stuff like that has happened. Look at that. Oh, that's so. I don't know what is going on. Oh, somebody died. Oh, that's the video with the kids. Oh, bam. Oh, oh, they're doing like a drop test. I see what that was. I didn't really finish watching the video, but yeah, dude, my coworker. That what happened to my coworker is the brick fell into the passenger side. So I don't know if the dude or the dudes were the people throwing the bricks were either on the bridge or if they were below and they like hawked it up, chucked it up. Either way, he was okay. But dang, man, teenagers didn't. They don't even look. Do they look remorseful? Those are the parents. He looks like, yeah, I fucked up. Poor guy. Oh, even that lady's like, where's she at? She like the stenographer, court reporter. Just want to. Ooh, why are they censoring his mouth? Ooh, he said some bad words. And she's like, them dudes messed up. Oop. Anyway, tragic. That dude died that got hit with that rock. Oh, the roundabout. Yeah, that's a fun one, guys. On to the next one here. Oh, okay, audio. Gotta remember to do that. This poor guy, he's going the wrong way. Oh, hold up. This is a compilation. I didn't. Like, he could have realized, this driver here could have realized, oh, I'll just wait for the truck to pass. Or maybe not, and say, hey, like, I need a. Or turn onto the grass. That's a pretty low curb. I don't know. Yeah. I've never been through a situation like that. Ooh. But I'll tell you, I wouldn't honk. This guy's honking and yelling, and you're going the wrong way. Okay, he's got his window down. That's why. I mean, I just would have honked and like, what are you doing? You know. But I wouldn't have kept going. I would have stayed right here, waited. Did he wait? Let's see. Okay, they made eye contact. And he's trying. He's trying. Yeah. Yeah. He did stop. Yeah, he did stop for a little bit. I I could see why it would be confusing. Maybe not. Oh, but dude. Oh, look at that. No trucks. Dun dun dun. But it doesn't show if he's going whatever direction that is. Excuse me, guys. It's time for bed. Making a right. Is this guy making a right turn, or is he going around the roundabout to go forward? That says what, east or something? So east, south, maybe that's south. That's east. I mean, maybe. And north is going this way. Oh no. North would be west, east. North and south. East. So that's north. This way is north, probably, right? 'Cause that's, yeah, duh. Okay. Alright. We saw that one. Oh, that's my dog. Something I was working on there. Well, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I appreciate it. That's pretty creepy. So watching some Stranger Things here. Yeah, I know it's been on forever, but we're just getting into it. Uh, it's been fun binging this for the past couple weeks. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.